The good news is you can do this. And I'm going to encourage you, whatever you've been through, my prayers are with you, my thoughts are with you. Hi, I'm Dr. Rola, clinical psychologist, and today I want to talk to you about how to improve your mood. How do you improve your mood? There are various ways to do this, but I'm going to teach you about one way to do this that is very, very effective. And this is by monitoring your thoughts. I'm going to share with you 2 ways to monitor your thoughts as you work on difficult life situations. Maybe you're feeling anxiety, depression, or you're just feeling down. How can you monitor your thoughts in a way that can help you to improve your mood? The first way is by tracking your thoughts. There are thousands of thoughts that go through our minds every day, and it's automatic. So much is going on. But it's very important to pay close attention to what those thought patterns are. Pay attention to that internal dialogue. And this is how you track it. You actually write it down. When you have a feeling, an emotion that is intense, maybe you're feeling anxious, you're feeling down, you're feeling sad, you feel guilty or worried, pay attention to the thought that was going through your mind at that time. And make a note of the situation that you were in when that thought went through your mind, so that gives you a context to better understand what that thought pattern is about. So let's give an example. Let's say you have a thought while going through a friend's page on Facebook, and you have this thought that you're failing. Writing that down can be scary, but that's the thought that went through your mind. Write down that thought and write down that situation. And if you pay attention, you will notice that that thought makes you feel maybe a little bit worthless, maybe anxious about the future. Maybe you feel somewhat incompetent as far as your ability to cope with challenges, but it's beginning to affect your emotions. So you're tracking because you're better understanding what is going on in your thought process.
Coming up on next week's episode of How to Improve Your Mood Part 2.
And when you begin to look at the facts, that can actually help your mood, because you're beginning to focus on not the emotional part, but the evidentiary part of it.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Balancing Life with Dr. Rola. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and share this video. Let us know your thoughts by leaving a comment down below, and be sure to subscribe. Also, Dr. Rola would love to hear from you. Visit us at AskDrRola.com. This episode was shot and produced by SIMEON FABUNMI, with editing done by Kemi Fadarin.